Are you tired of feeling stuck in your current mindset? Do you yearn for a way free from the limitations that hold you back? Look no further, because it's time to unlock the power of a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that our abilities, intelligence, and skills can be developed and expanded with dedication and effort. It is the understanding that our potential is not fixed, but rather it can be nurtured and expanded through perseverance and a willingness to learn. Gone are the days of thinking that our intelligence is a fixed trait or that our abilities are determined at birth. With a growth mindset, we can embrace challenges, learn from our mistakes, and persist in the face of setbacks. No longer will we shy away from difficult tasks, fearing failure. Instead, we will see them as opportunities for growth and personal development. Imagine a world where obstacles are not roadblocks, but stepping stones towards success. With a growth mindset, no challenge is insurmountable. We understand that setbacks are temporary setbacks, and with the right mindset and effort, we can overcome any hurdle that comes our way. This mindset shift is not always easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. By adopting a growth mindset, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities. We become resilient, adaptable, and constantly eager to learn and improve. Our confidence soars as we realize that there are no limits to what we can achieve. So how can we cultivate a growth mindset? It begins with embracing challenges and approaching them with a sense of curiosity. Rather than fearing failure, we should see it as a valuable opportunity to grow and learn. We must stay persistent, even in the face of obstacles, and become unrelenting in our pursuit of personal and professional growth. Effort becomes our best friend, as we understand that it is through persistent hard work that we can achieve greatness. We must value the process of learning, understanding that it is not just about the end results, but also about the journey itself. It's time to shed the chains of a fixed mindset and unlock the power of a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and persist through setbacks. By doing so, you will embark on a journey of personal growth, unlocking your true potential and achieving things you once thought were impossible. Don't let a fixed mindset hold you back any longer. Embrace the growth mindset and watch as your world transforms. Before your very eyes, the power to grow, learn, and succeed is within your grasp. Are you ready to take the first step towards creating a growth mindset?